Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change Doordash address to a different state. So if you want to change the location to a different state, then you have to log into your Doordash account by using the Doordash application on your mobile device. Then at the top left corner you will find a profile icon. You can simply tap on it and you will get this type of interface where you will find addresses. Now you can just simply tap on addresses, and then you can add a new address, or you can add existing address that you have already added to your Doordash app account. So you just need to tap on this pen icon to edit that current location. So you can just tap on it and you can use this map, that Google map, that are integrated with this application. So you can just change the state from here, and you can just select that state, and don't forget to tap on this save address button to save the changes, and you can easily change the state to a different state as a new location on Doordash. That's all. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.